Hello friends, today we have another video on homonyms. Homonyms are the words having two different groups. One is called homographs and another is called the homophones. Homographs means the words having same pronunciation, different meaning, and same spelling. Homophones are the words having same pronunciation, different meaning and different spelling. In the last video we saw some examples of homophones. Today we are going to see some examples of homographs. In homographs and homophones, only one difference is the major difference between the two word group. In homographs, the words have the same spellings, but in homophones the words have the different spelling. It is the major difference between the two words group. In the both groups, homophones and homographs have the same pronunciation and different meaning. These are the two common characteristics in the words homographs and homophones. See the examples of homographs. Number one is couple. Couple means the pair and couple means wife and husband. The word couple has two different meanings. Many times a single word has more than one meaning. Sometimes it can have the 3 meanings, 4 meanings, 5 meanings, but we have taken only 2 meanings in this video. Second word is mind. Mind means memory or mind means pay attention. The word has 2 different meanings. See the third word. Space. Space means open area and space means unlimited region above the earth. The word has 2 different meanings. Number 4, sound. Sound means healthy and sound means that can be heard. Number 5, left. Left means side of anything. Left and right, we know left and right. Left means the side of anything and left means the past form of the verb leave. Left is the second form of the verb leave. The word 6 is watch. Watch means observe and watch means device that shows the time. So each word has 2 different meaning. A word has more than one meaning. The next word is 7. Saw. Saw means past form of see and saw means a tool used for cutting. Number 8, wing. Wing means the feather. Wing means the feather and wing means a section of a main building. We can see many wings in an apartment or in a flat system. Next word is 9th, land. Land means touch to the ground or second land means a part of the ground. Word 10, head. Head means the leader and another head means a part of the body. 11, rose. We know rose is a flower and another rose. Rose means the past form of rise. Rise is a verb and rose is the second form or past form of the verb rise. 12th, might. Might means strength or physical power called the might, and another might means might is a modal helping verb and it is the past form of me. Word number 13, leaves. Leaves is a part of a tree and leaves a present form of a verb. Leaves, V1 form of verb. 14, fine. Fine means thin or delicate. It is called a fine. And next another fine is money as a penalty. Sometimes we break the traffic rules and the traffic policeman gives us fine. So the second fine means the penalty or the punishment after breaking any rule. 15 means the bore. Bore means the past form of bear. Past form of bear. And another bore means make a hole by drilling. 16. Wind. Wind is a homograph, but it has a different pronunciation. Wind means current of air, and another its pronunciation is different. It is called wind. Wind means move in twist or bend. The pronunciation is also changed here. Sometimes the homographs, the words have the different pronunciation. Wind and wind. 17. Bank. We know bank. Bank means it provides the financial services to its clients. Bank means providing financial service, and another bank means the side of a river. Next word. 18. Cricket. Cricket means a game, and cricket means an insect. A brown insect is called a cricket. Next word. 19. It is the word fair. Fair, the word has more than one meaning. We have taken only two meanings. One fair means periodical market, and another fair means just or beautiful or fair in complexion. It is also called a fair, means the fair in complexion. 20. Kite. We know kite, it is a kind of bird. Kite is a kind of bird, and another kite means a toy made with paper, clothes, etc. Any small children enjoy the kite in the open ground. We know that. 21. Light. Light, the word has also two meaning. One, light means easy to lift, and another light means the energy. And we know it is a very common word for all of us. 22. Live. The word has also two different pronunciation. The first word is live. Live means not dead, and another word is live. Live means live broadcasting of match on TV. The word has same spelling, but they have different meaning and different pronunciation. Sometimes the homographs pronunciation is different. 23rd. Novel. Novel means new or unimaginary. Novel means new or unimaginary, and another novel means long and fictional story is called a novel. 24th. Date. Date means fruit of a date palm. We can eat date. It is a fruit of a date palm, and another date means day of a month. 25th. Capital. Capital means an important city in a country is called a capital. Many countries have their own capital. And another capital means investment in a business. A huge amount, a large amount, which is investment in a business is called a capital. It has two meanings. 26th. Content or content. Content means happy and satisfied. It is the first meaning of content, and another content means the things contained in something. They have two meaning, and the word has also another meaning, but we have taken only two meanings in this list. 27. Bark. Bark means loud sound of a dog, and another bark means the outer covering of a tree is called a bark. Bark has a two meaning. 28. Train. Train means railway coaches. Train. Many times we travel by train. Train means the railway coaches joined togetherly is called a train. And another train means the make a perfect by teaching. It is called a train. 29th. Palm. Palm means inner surface of a hand. Inner surface of the hand is called a palm. And another palm means a tropical tree. A kind of tree, a kind of tropical tree is called a palm. And the last word is organ. Organ is a very familiar word for all of us. Organ means it is a musical instrument. Organ is a musical instrument, and organ means a part of an animal. Part of our body is called the organ. Okay, it is the completion of the word group homographs, and I have given some examples of homographs. There is a lengthy list of homographs we can have, but I have selected only 30 words in this list. Okay, thank you very much. I will give the next video as early as possible on my channel Avi's English Grammar. Thank you very much.